ACI 1948 here, working on the 63 Corvair. Did a little bit of painting to it, still got body work and stuff to do. This is just all rattle can. I went with Majic Kubota orange. I don't even know if that's the orange. No, that's the primer. But anyway, Kubota orange and the Majic. I think I'm going to end up respraying the hood, and I got to do a little bit of repair back here. A little Bondo, and they leaded this in. You can't even tell on camera, can you? Yeah, maybe a little bit. It looked better when it was in primer. But now you really see it. But when I hit it with the wire wheel, it kind of tore it up. But sometimes they would lead the seams together, and there might have been a hole there they let it in. I don't know. The hood I'm definitely going to redo. I don't know if you can see all the... I thought I had it sanded down pretty good, but apparently not. I don't think it shows up very good on camera. I did about to back here. This is where that dent was. It didn't look, again, there's a little bit of dent there, but it's not near as bad as it was. I mean, this was all pushed in. I kind of bondoed it up. Yeah, I did do about back there and stopped. Ended up having some runs here and here. It's, this is not the first, well, this is the first coat. It will get painted later, repainted and scuffed. And this Majic stuff's fairly easy to work with when it dries. But like I say, I still need to pull that out. I bought a can of spray paint and was like, I'll try that. And before you know it, all this that I'd kind of had in primer got painted. So, it's just the way it goes. But it's going to look sharp when it gets done. But this here was done with Majic paint as well. I went over it, I painted it, and then reassembled it and scuffed it and repainted it again. You can really get away with a fine grit sandpaper and make the results come out nice. The only downside to this paint is it does fade over time. But it's definitely easier to work with than Rust-Oleum. You can, there's been a squirrel in here. Anywho, they've been just going nuts. So, alright, I think that'll do it for this video. Just thought I'd give you guys a little update on it. I still gotta fill in the holes down here. Like I say, pull that dent out. And there's that bad spot on the back over there. And then, other than that, it's gonna be a scuff it, paint it. Won't be perfect, but neither is the Falcon. But you know, once they get a layer of dirt on them and stuff, this here don't look that great either, but it looks alright. It's in better shape than it was, and it kept it from going to the crusher. See, up here is all, you can't even see it with all the dust, but it's all wavy and warpy, and there's bad spots all over it. And this is just rattle can too. You can make a rattle can turn out fairly nice if you work with it. But I'm kind of happy with how it's turning out. It's going to be a fun car once it gets up and going. Never had a convertible before, so that'll be interesting. Took the bumper off, got the rear seat out of it. I need to get the front seats out. Still got to replace the floor pans. I found a set of them online. That's exactly what I need for like $200, so I'm going to have to order them. I need to do the door jambs too. That's a project for another day. These doors close good. So, yeah. Alright, I think that'll do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.